Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fold a pair of socks. Alright, I'm gonna take a pair of socks and unfold it and match it with the other socks. Like this is how you do it. Make it firm, everything like that, and do the same for the other socks and just match it like that. Alright, match it, and then you gotta roll it up, roll slowly and but surely. You need to do it slowly so it will fall into a nice shape. Is there a shape? I don't know. Alright. Okay. Until the end of the row, you can see 2, 1, 2. You just pick the behind hold and just wrap this and put inside, and that's pretty much it. That's how you pretty much fold a video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bam.